You're watching a movie and eating popcorn in your living room, you're enjoying yourself. Now while you're doing that, a bot is working for you in the background, earning you hundreds of dollars without you doing any work for absolutely free. In this video, I'll give you guys a complete step-by-step tutorial on how you can use this 100% free bot that you can use to earn hundreds of dollars per day and make completely passive income because the bot will do all of the work for you. Now, you guys actually don't need any experience to do this because this works all over the world. India, Pakistan, Brazil, United States, United Kingdom, you call it, it works there. Also, let me know in the comment section below, why do you want to start making passive income? Now, make sure that you guys stick around until the end of this video because I will give you some secret tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maybe double or even triple your online income. But before we start, hey guys, and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. We reply to each and every comment. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so before I give you guys this step-by-step tutorial for this video, I want you to head on over to this website called ClearVoice. And you can very quickly go to this website by clicking on the address bar on your browser and typing in clearvoice.com. Now, this is the main website that we'll be using today, and ClearVoice is the website that will pay you in real money, so no points, no coins, no gift cards, but cold hard cash. The money that you guys earn can then be spent on whatever you want. Now, to show you that there's actually a lot of potential here on ClearVoice, I'm going to head on over to SimilarWeb, and as you can see here, ClearVoice has around 400,000 monthly visitors. That means every month there are around 400,000 different unique users visiting this website. And those users are coming from top-tier countries like the United States and other countries. And now you might be wondering, how does ClearVoice work? Well, ClearVoice is a place where companies, business owners, and entrepreneurs come to hire everyday people like you and me to write content for them, such as writing different articles and blog posts for them. And they are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for each article submitted. Now, don't worry guys, because you don't need any writing skills for this, because you will not be the one writing those articles, since I'm going to give you a tool which is professionally going to do it for you. And it's proven to get decent results. It literally requires just one click of a button to set it all up, and it's going to do all of the work for you, and you can get paid again and again with ClearVoice. Now, here on their homepage, you can see that if you hover your mouse on the talent network, you'll be able to see that they have different categories to write about, such as advertising, marketing, finance, healthcare, software, tech, retail, and so much more. So they cover all of these different categories on ClearVoice. Anyways, what I want you guys to do is look for this option right over here under freelance jobs. This says join the talent network, and I want you guys to just go ahead and click on it. That's going to take you over to this page right here where you can find out more about all the benefits you can have by working as a freelancer here on ClearVoice. And we will be specifically focusing on those articles so that you can sometimes get paid over $500 per article you write. And if you guys stay until the end of this video, you'll actually get a bot which will do all of that work for you, and it's going to write all of those professional articles for you for absolutely free, so that you can charge other people hundreds of dollars for articles that you really didn't spend any efforts on. Now, I'll show you guys exactly how that works, but first of all, you need to sign up to ClearVoice as a freelancer by entering your full name right here and click Get Started. Once you sign up, this is what your account is going to look like. Over here is your name, and here on the left side you have your socials. You can add your YouTube account if you have one, or your Twitter or Facebook. The more social media accounts you add, the better, because you'll have a higher chance of getting hired, which means you can have a better chance at earning more money. So I highly recommend that you guys add as many social media accounts as you possibly can. Also, you can change your profile picture. To do that, simply click on this edit info right here, and you can upload whatever profile picture you want. And the higher the quality of your profile picture, the better, because you will get hired more. Now I'm going to show you how this works. Now right here is one of the many freelancers who use ClearVoice to make money online by writing articles. Now you can see that this person has a bunch of articles written in their CV, and each article has earned hundreds of dollars, but let's say that each article just made $100. That means he has earned $400 for these articles right here. And as you can see, he still has a lot of other articles, so he has probably earned thousands of dollars by using ClearVoice. But he probably spent hours or even days writing those articles, and it's a really tiring task that cost him a lot of time and effort writing. But you guys won't have to do any of that, because the absolutely free bot that I'm going to show you guys in this video will do all of the work for you. So this is just a reminder that this actually works, and that people are even making hundreds or even thousands of dollars with these articles here on ClearVoice. To officially get started with ClearVoice and start to earn money, you'll need to go back to your account and you will need to complete your CV. As for my case, it's at 15 right now because I only have my name and my profile picture, but as you start filling out your profile picture and give more details about yourself, this CV completion rate will also start to increase, and once you reach 100, you will finally be able to start making money. So to start making money, you need to improve your CV, and a quick way to improve it is by adding content. So right here in the bottom right corner of the web page, you'll find this content button right here. If you go ahead and click on it, you'll have the option where you can paste the URL to an online blog post that you made, or you can upload the file onto this website. But now you might be thinking, but I don't have any articles to prove that I'm qualified for this job. Well, don't worry, because you can also get that done for free without any hard work. And by the way, this is also where you will submit your articles in order to get paid. So for the next step, we'll be utilizing Google. Now think of whatever niche you want to focus on, like artificial intelligence and technology, or maybe business and finance, or photography and videography. Whichever niche you want to focus on, you can use this method now. As an example, I'm going to go ahead and search for photography tips for beginners, for example. Now you guys can use any keyword that you prefer, and again, you can use any niche that you want. Anyways, Google will give us a bunch of different articles, so we can use these articles to earn ourselves some money. Now this part may be a bit confusing, but make sure you stick around because I will explain to you step by step how to actually do it. Because you can't just copy and paste someone's article on ClearVoice, because that will obviously get you in trouble with copyright issues. So pay close attention so that you will see how it's done. Let's say for example I want to use this article right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and what you simply need to do is copy the article part by part. So let's say that this part number 1, which is the intro, I will copy this part of the article and I will copy it and will proceed to the absolutely free bot, which is going to rewrite this text for me with a single click of a button. So let me show you how it actually works. Now, before we continue on with this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We really appreciate the support because we put so much effort into making these videos for you guys. Also leave a like and leave us a comment. We reply to everyone. What I talked about earlier is called Quillbot. You guys can very quickly head on over to this website by clicking on the address bar of your browser and typing in quillbot.com. Now here you can basically paste in whatever you want in this box, and you can even upload an entire document, and once you click on paraphrase, that's just one click of a button, you'll have a rewritten original text which you can use as your own because it's entirely written for you. Now, if you don't sign up for a new account here on Quillbot, then you'll have a 400 character limit. So just sign up for an absolutely free account and then you can have up to 700 characters limit. So let me show you exactly how this works. I will paste the part of the article I copied previously, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on paraphrase. And as you can see right here on the right hand side, the bot will provide me a completely original paraphrased version of the original text. Next, what you need to do is copy this paraphrased part and then head on over to Google Docs, which is absolutely free. And you want to paste the text right here. Then you want to head back to the article you chose earlier, take another part, paste it in Quillbot, click on paraphrase, copy the paraphrase part, paste it on Google Docs again, and then you can repeat this, rinse and repeat until you have a complete article done for you. Now, creating the article will take you no longer than 5 minutes, and once you are done, you can now save this by clicking on the file button right here and click on download. You can download it in any file format that you want, but I'm going to choose PDF. Now, we can head back over to ClearVoice and go to your account and click on add content. Then you want to drag the article you made earlier right here, and it will start uploading. Now you can select the category, so I'm just going to click on this and choose photography. You can fill out more details about this article and add a short description. You also have the option to change the name of the file and upload an image, which I really recommend that you guys do because it will make your page or article more clickable. To find a good image for your article, you can head on over to Pexels.com, and this is an absolutely free stock photo website where you can download high quality images for free. You can just head on over to this website and type in a keyword related to your niche, and Pexels will show you a bunch of photos related to your niche. Now go ahead and download the photo that you want to use and head back to ClearVoice and click on change image right here and upload the photo. Now once you're done, you can go and click on update. It's really that simple, and the more you do it, the better you'll be at doing it. And that's exactly how all these people are making thousands of dollars for their articles. And you can earn it in less than 5 minutes of work. So make sure to start writing those articles and watch as your PayPal account gets filled in no time. And that is the end of today's video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post new content. And don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video.